Yo, what's up, Trap Squad? We're back here again today, doing a simple video, how to put a license plate on a truck. Stay tuned for more. Today we're changing out my George's license plate for a new Trapper Joe license plate. I'm gonna work all through the steps on how to change this. Some people's might have all 4 screws, mine only has 2. It just depends. But anyway, take just a flathead screwdriver, lay the license plate down, and just screw it. The nut or bolt, yeah, bolt right back on out, like down in front of you. Do the same thing to the other one. Simple as that. There's our first license plate off. Let's put the other one on. When you're putting on the license plate, take it, make sure it's lined up real good, top and bottom. Looks real good. Take your bolt or your screw, whatever you want to call it. Get it started in there first. Take your other one and also get it started. At the end, take your screwdriver and screw it the rest of the way in. Make sure it's good and tight where it won't fly off on the road. That's all it takes to put a license plate on your truck. And there you have it. New license plate on the old Ford F-150. Truck's looking nice and sharp. Walk through. And there's a Trapper Joe sticker on the back of the truck. So there you have it, you guys. That's how you put a license plate on your truck. I might show off the Trapper Mobile a little bit. We'll be running trap lines with this year. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the new license plate on the truck. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.